Hey, good morning, Tony. How are you?
Oh, fine, thank you.
Yeah, I'm going to describe what we did for Tony in English first. Okay, this morning we did periodontal surgery or gum surgery because he has some very deep pockets in his upper right quadrant. So I'm going to start talking to him in Chinese. Uh, Tony，可唔可以講一講俾我哋聽？我哋今日朝頭早做咗咩手術啊？
哦，我做咗個係牙肉嘅手術，因為有個好深嘅喎，咁啊嗰個即係深咗落去嘅，
個牙袋。
插唔到牙個牙袋。
All right. So 你未做之前心情有冇少少緊張啊？
有少少
緊張。OK。而家咧做完咗之後咧？
而家好輕鬆冇問題啦，做咗之後覺得 OK。
So 你同埋咧，我想講一講咧，Tony he has several implants done in China. Tony 咧，佢喺中國嗰度咧做咗好多種植牙齒嚇，所以嗰啲種植牙齒就唔係我做嘅。So is the procedure worse than what you thought, or is it about what you expect, or is it worse than what you thought?
我諗都 OK 啦，同我想象都差唔多噶啦。
Okay, that's good. Okay, so 我哋過一個大約10日之後咧，咁你翻嚟同你拆線啦。咁拆線之後咧，我哋再同你訪問啦。OK， 好多謝你嚇 ，Tony。
多謝。
Okay, today is January 22nd, 2009. Today I'm seeing Tony for a post-surgery visit and suture removal. So this photo shows the before surgery picture. Please note that this is actually an implant, but it's not done by me. I have to specify, it's not done by me. It's done by someone else. So if you look at the cosmetic results, just want to be sure you don't think that is my work. So I'm going to also show another picture of the of how he looks in the mouth today. As you can see, I just removed the stitches, and you can tell the gum is a lot more receded than before surgery because he has deep pockets, and that is one of the disadvantage of doing osseous gum surgery. Generally, the gum line will be much more receded than before surgery. Hey Tony， 你好。
你好。
Yeah. So 將近大約係13日前幫你做咗呢個牙肉手術係咪？
係。
OK。可唔可以講俾我哋聽你個感受同埋你嗰個期望啊？
啲牙肉好似即係感覺上好似清潔咗好多，覺得自己乾淨咗，感受相當好，俾我即係同我預想一樣啊，都復原得相當好。
可唔可以大聲啲？
復原得好好，我牙肉嘅做咗手術之後咧，覺得一切都正常翻嘅 OK
嘅。OK，有冇腫過？
少少，做咗手術當晚有少少腫。
OK，做完手術之後痛唔痛啊？
都係晚上嘅時候有少少痛，所以食咗一粒止痛藥。
OK，淨係食咗一粒啫。
食咗一粒啫。
第日唔使食。第
日唔使啦 ，OK 啦。
OK，good。So 好多謝你接受我哋嘅訪問嚇，Tony。
多謝你。
OK，thank you。